Best cryptocurrency exchanges and trading apps to make money online. While cryptocurrency has surged in popularity in recent years, only a minority of Americans have actually traded it. Among the most popular cryptos are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, each of which has seen a lot of action as prices rise and fall. The appeal for traders, the potential to make significant money on the volatility of these highly speculative assets. Increasingly, traders have more and more ways to access cryptocurrencies. New exchanges and trading platforms have started in response to the wide interest in crypto. In fact, you may already have an app on your phone that lets you trade. For example, if you have the PayPal or Venmo apps, you can buy and sell at least a few different cryptocurrency coins. But other apps and exchanges gives you access to a wider selection of cryptocurrencies. There are literally thousands, or they offer other benefits as lower cost. Top apps and exchanges for cryptocurrency trading in 2023. Binance US. Binance US is an American arm of the larger Binance organization. It's one of the best crypto exchanges because of its low trading cost. Bitcoin and Ethereum traders can access commission-free trades, while other coins are priced on a sliding scale for high-volume traders. Plus, if you use Binance in-house coin (BNB), to pay trading fees, you get a discount of 25%. You'll also be able to trade more than 130 different cryptocurrencies at Binance, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding what you're looking for, especially if you just want to trade the most popular coin. The SEC sued Binance in June 2023, alleging that it had illegally operated as an exchange, broker dealer, and clearing agency, and offered and sold unregistered securities. The lawsuit also accused Binance and its founder of misusing customer funds. SEC Chair Gary Gensler warned of using Binance platforms, while Binance said customers' assets are safe. Binance is cost-free for Bitcoin and Ethereum, but fees for less common coins start at 0.45% and decline for high volume traders. A 25% discount is available if you pay trading fees with BNB. Coins available to trade: 137 coins including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Coinbase is a specialized cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to trade a bunch of digital currencies, 230 at the latest count. That range will likely scratch your crypto itch since it includes most of the top coins, including Bitcoin of course. But what will you pay for using the basic service? Unfortunately, Coinbase has become cagier about what you pay to trade, recently obscuring the fee structure on its website. When it was visible, the fee structure was complex. So to say the least, you'd pay a spread markup of about 0.5% and a transaction fee that depends on the size of the transaction and the funding source. For Coinbase Advanced Trade, you pay fees that start at 0.6% for 30-day volume under $10,000 and decline to as low as 0.15% for up to $100,000 in volume, and then head even lower. The SEC sued Coinbase in June 2023, alleging that it had illegally operated as an exchange, broker-dealer, and clearing agency, and offered and sold unregistered securities. The lawsuit said Coinbase knowingly violated securities that are designed to protect investors. Coinbase said it will continue to operate its business as usual. The cost for Coinbase is typically at least 1.99% lower with Coinbase Advanced Trade. Coins available to trade: a whopping 230 coins, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. eToro. The broker eToro is all crypto, all the time, for at least for American traders, though others can trade stocks. At eToro, you have access to about 80 cryptocurrencies, including quite a few such as Tezos, Uniswap, and Polygon that you won't normally find on the traditional brokerage apps. The app doesn't charge a direct commission, but rather a flat spread markup of 1% regardless of which coin you purchase or how much. Cost: commission free but spread markup of 1%. Coins available to trade: 79 cryptos including Bitcoin and Ethereum, Dogecoin, and more. Kraken. Kraken is another specialized cryptocurrency exchange that lets you trade a ton of different coins, including the most popular as well as some Solana and Uniswap that are not typically available on the usual financial apps. In total, the exchange supports trading in more than 212 cryptos. Kraken does not offer its services to residents of New York and Washington state. Commissions on Kraken Pro are competitive, ranging from 0.16 to 0.26% at the lowest volume levels and declining to a range of 0 to 0.1% with volume of $10 million or more in the last 30 days. High net worth traders can also access margin trading, increasing their buying power and risks. While you can deposit money via ACH for free into Kraken, debit or credit card transactions incur a 3.75% fee plus 29 cents, and you can get hit with a 0.5% online banking processing fee if you fund through a bank at last check. Cost: fees start at 0.26% plus fees for cards and online banking. Coins coins available to trade: 212 of them, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Robinhood: you may know Robinhood for its slick trading app for cost, options, and ETFs, but it's also expanded into cryptocurrencies. Plus, it brings its no commission structure to the crypto world. Although trading may look free, Robinhood charges a spread markup rather than a direct commission, meaning that the costs are built into a coin's buy or sell price. You can get started almost immediately with Robinhood's instant transfer feature, so it's just download and go. The cost is $0 or commission free. Coins available to trade: 18 of them. Some aren't available in all states, including Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. Webull. Webull may not be the poster child for trading apps, but but its feature set its but its feature set feels a step above Robinhood's. Like its well-known rival, Webull offers stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies with no out-of-pocket commission. And similarly, Webull works on a spread markup for its crypto trades, so your cost is built into the trade. You're also able to trade a few more coins than you'll be able to at Robinhood. Webull is cost-free but spread markup of 1%. Coin available to trade: 58 different types, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cash App. When you think of cryptocurrency, you might not think of Cash App at first. The financial app is known more for its cash management account or even its ability to trade stocks and ETFs, but it offers the ability to trade crypto. I bet only one, which is Bitcoin. While you can send Bitcoin to other users for free, Cash App charges what it calls a small fee for trading the coin, which it will disclose before you place the trade. That's in addition to a spread markup built into the trade itself. Unfortunately, it doesn't disclose its exact fee structure. Cost: spread markup plus a trading fee. Coins available to trade: only Bitcoin. PayPal. Like Cash App, you may already have PayPal installed on your phone. If so, you could be up and running with trading cryptocurrency in literally seconds from now. PayPal charges a fee for any trade and also prices in a spread markup on trades. The fee starts at 49 cents for trades under $5, then gradually rises to $2.49 for trades up to $200. It then switches to a percentage that declines to as low as 1.5% for trades over $1,000. Helpfully, PayPal lists its fee structure plainly for all to see. PayPal's sister app, Venmo, offers the same services on similar terms: spread markup of about 0.5% plus a trading fee that starts at 49 cents and declines to $1 5 that declines to 1.5%. Coins available to trade: 4 different coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. The best crypto trading app or exchange for you depends on your needs. If you're looking to trade a wide range of digital currencies, consider an app or exchange that allows you to do so. But if you prefer to stick mainly to the major ones such as Bitcoin and Ethereum and a handful of others, then many of the platforms mentioned here can get the job done. but cost is an important consideration as well. So keep that in mind before opening an account.